Do you think you've done the kind of role that you would
No,
have
not
wanted
yet.
to? आपको लगता है अगर आज कृष्णा कॉटेज रिलीज होती तो वो हिट होती?
सबको मजा आया लेकिन हिट कैसे हुई पता नहीं.
Would you love to be a part of Don 3?
I'd love to be a part of whether it's Ranveer or Shahrukh.
When were you the most disappointed?
I've had my personal life setbacks. I've had my professional setbacks.
How do you make that choice of being happy in that situation which is not as per what you want?
If you're in a bad marriage, any bad situation, get out. Just now recently they said no, a divorced daughter is better than a dead daughter.
It's true, 100%.
जब तक आप अपनी लाइफ की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं लोगे और कोई क्यों ले, औरत होके ऐसे बात कर रही हूँ आपसे, मेरी बेटी है. You don't want a girl child because आपको लगता है वो बोझ है.
Have people come and told you that you are very intimidating?
मतलब कि आपको लगा असलियत में मैं कृष्णा कॉटेज की दिशा हूँ.
What are you most grateful about?
I'm grateful that I have a child. I'm grateful that I have parents. I'm just grateful for everything and that's it.
आपने अभी कहा जब हम बात कर रहे थे कि you need a lot of resilience to be in this industry. What does that mean?
Yeah, because the entertainment and industry teaches you a lot of resilience. Every day is different. One day you are on top of the world because the Friday was a super hit, and one day they just throw you off because you've had a flop. So you never, it's never the same. So I just feel that your आपका जो अस्तित्व है या आपका जो कैरेक्टर है should not be controlled by your success or your hits or your flops. बहुत ज़रूरी है. रेजिलियंस ऐसे ज़रूरी है कि ईशा कोप्पिकर इज़ नॉट ईशा कोप्पिकर because of just this film industry. We behave in a very nice manner when everything is going well for yourself. But on those days when you feel that things are not going according to how you have planned, because man proposes, God disposes. We know it. Your success cannot dictate your character. It is very important in life कि हम fail भी होते हैं, हम गिरते हैं. Resilience is not falling and getting up. Resilience is falling every now and then. When life tests you, you get up. That is resilience. और सिर्फ ये इंडस्ट्री आपको ये नहीं सिखाती, life teaches you. I'm a student that loves learning, क्योंकि ये learning and when I mean learning, मैं formal education की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, SSC, ICSE, CBSE, IB. हाँ, I'm talking about lifelong lessons. I love watching people, observing people. I love watching people's interviews, different perspectives. अलग अलग लोग कैसे सोचते हैं, and adapting to different environments. ऐसे बोलते हैं ना कि nothing remains the same and change is constant, और ऐसे बड़ी बड़ी बातें. It is true.
It is.
Change मतलब क्या कि you have to, जैसे चीज़ें बदलती है वैसे आपको बदलना है. But most of the time हमारी इंडस्ट्री में क्या होता है, we are not able to accept the old, मतलब हम old version को लेके बैठते हैं. हम लोग अडेप्ट करने के लिए रेडी ही नहीं होते.
आपने कहा बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज आती हैं, दे नॉक एट योर डोर और फिर वो चली भी जाती हैं.
My life is not only movies.
Yeah.
My life is not only this industry. So whether it is आप opportunities की जब बात कर रहे हो, I started with Miss India, moved into South industry, into Bollywood, into entrepreneurship, into now digitally my voice is being applauded. People like to hear me. So different, इस जर्नी में बहुत अलग अलग अपॉर्चुनिटीज आए
ओके.
और गए. बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हर चीज अगर मेरे हिसाब से होती है तो शायद जिंदगी अलग होती. आई थिंक गॉड, आई बिलीव इन गॉड्स टाइमिंग. और मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि कई बार भगवान को आपका पर्पस पता होता है. जितना आपको पता है उससे ज़्यादा उनको ऊपर टॉप एंगल से ज़्यादा दिखता है और ज़्यादा पता होता है. सो हम लोग इतना सोच के बैठ जाते हैं, बट ही नोज दैट यू आर बॉर्न टू डू मच मोर. सो ही अकॉर्डिंगली चैनलाइजेस योर पाथ. एक जगह वो ही कॉर्डोन्स इट, एक वॉल आ जाता है जो तुमने सोचा था मैं ऐसे जाऊंगी ऐसे मैं नहीं तो ऐसे नहीं जाऊंगा खड़ा अच्छा ऐसे नहीं जाऊंगी अब मैं कैसे जाऊंगी चलो ये देख लेते हैं चलो ये देख लेते हैं
हम्म,
तो ये जर्नी में कितनी वो एनरिचिंग हो सकती है फुलफिलिंग हो सकती है सक्सेसफुल हो सकती है ये दरवाज़ा जो रुक गया है उससे ज़्यादा आपको नहीं पता उसको पता है
हम्म,
लेकिन वो बंद नहीं होता
हम्म,
तो आप यहाँ नहीं जाते
हम्म,
So these are the opportunities that I'm talking about. When today आज जब मैं सोचती हूँ कि थैंक गॉड मैंने ये नहीं किया थैंक गॉड मैंने ये फिल्म नहीं की
अपॉर्चुनिटीज जैसे अपार्ट फ्रॉम बॉलीवुड लाइक इफ यू गॉट समथिंग एंड देन यू वर लाइक कि ये नहीं चला गया फिर बाद में आपने बोला अच्छा हुआ कि ये मेरी लाइफ में नहीं
अच्छा वो
हुआ.
बुरा भी हुआ ये भी होता है कि यार ये फिल्म करनी चाहिए थी दिल चाहता है जो मैं हमेशा हर एक इंटरव्यू में बोलती हूँ रियली रिग्रेट नॉट डूइंग दैट फिल्म बट मुझे इतना पता है कि भगवान ने मेरे लिए और अच्छा सोचा होगा
Exactly.
यार
हाँ.
यू नो कुछ भी सोचा होगा शायद उससे मुझे जो फिल्म फेम मिल सकती थी उससे ज़्यादा फेम सक्सेस ग्लोरी रेप्यूट एक्युलेट्स अपलॉज मुझे कहीं दूसरी जगह मिल सकता है
हम्म,
आई हैव सेपरेटेड एफर्ट एंड आउटकम
हम्म,
कर्मण्य वाधिका रस्ते माँ फलेषु कदाचन राइट एफर्ट करो फल की चिंता मत करो
हम्म,
सोचो कि अच्छा होगा
हम्म,
अब वो कैसे अच्छा होने वाला है you'll see यार
हम्म.
सरेंडर
इतना टाइम लगता है हमें टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस एंड वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ यंगर ऑडियंसेस हु आर वाचिंग जो वो फेज में है अभी के यू नो अरे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल नहीं रही है हम यहाँ क्यों नहीं है दूसरों को देखो बिकॉज देयर सो मच कंपैरिजन नाउ एंड देन वी आर एट दैट स्टेज वेयर वी डोंट
Instagram.
अंडरस्टैंड कि हाउ टू बी मोर पेशेंट दैट समथिंग बेटर इज कमिंग एंड when I speak to people who have lived through it now once they are like later in life and they've done a lot of work तब उन्हें पता चलता है कि अरे हम वो टाइम पे ये कर लेते तो मैं उनसे पूछती हूँ कि एट दैट मोमेंट इफ यू कैन टेल अस हाउ यू डिड इट इट विल हेल्प अ लॉट ऑफ अदर पीपल आई गिव यू वन डाइकोटमी दैट आई एम फेसिंग मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं आपसे अगर सपोजिंग आड़ा टेढ़ा सवाल पूछूं मुझे पता है कि वो वायरल जाएगा मुझे पता है उसमें बहुत व्यूज आएंगे मुझे पता है बहुत लोग आएंगे मेरे चैनल पे अगर मैंने वो किया इज इट ऑथेंटिक टू हु आई एम इट्स नॉट तो मैं नहीं करती
So it's values, no? Your value system.
but you also want to get there you also want to become bigger and this applies to a lot of people like it's not just me.
So I'll tell you, competition should be in a manner where it should motivate you to evolve. But if it comes in your way and you have to compromise on your integrity, I wouldn't do that because I come from a background where for me, values are very, very important. And I've been taught that headlines ho, awards ho, ya trophies ho, your reputation stays with you much longer than all of this. So you should be able to look at yourself in the mirror and feel great about it. ऑडियंस आपको वाह वाह बोलेगी ऑडियंस आपको प्रेज करेगी लेकिन आपको तो पता है आपने क्या किया है आपको तो पता है आप कैसे हो अगर आपको अच्छी नींद आ सकती है वो सब चीज़ों के बाद जो एथिकली जो शायद वाज नॉट एथिकल इन योर बुक्स विच यू वेंट अगेंस्ट तो शायद आपको अच्छी नींद ना आए
Hmm.
शायद आए मैं ऐसी हूँ कि फॉर मी माई वैल्यूज रियली मैटर
Hmm.
आपने अभी जो बोला कि जस्ट फॉर सेंसेशनलाइजिंग आप कुछ ऐसा करोगे तो हो जाएगा
Hmm.
लेकिन आपका जो जब आप अपने ग्रेड वन में छाकोगे इट मैटर्स ना कि दैट इक्स नहीं होना चाहिए दैट फीलिंग इज नॉट राइट एंड फॉर मी इट मैटर्स फॉर मी दैट आई नीड टू फील गुड अबाउट माई सेल्फ आई नीड टू होल्ड माई हेड हाई व्हेन आई वॉक दूसरी बात अभी सलाह देने की बात तो मुझे लगता है आई कांट लीड योर लाइफ यू कांट लीड माई लाइफ आई कांट लीड रियानाज लाइफ
Hmm.
अभी मैं रियाना और मेरा एग्जाम्पल दे सकती हूँ
Hmm.
इफ आई सी माई चाइल्ड इज पुटिंग हर हैंड इन टू फायर
Hmm.
मैं उसको बोलूंगी मत करना
Hmm.
जलेगा लगेगा कुछ हो जाएगा उसके बाद भी वो हाथ डालना चाहती हो तो मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ रोकूंगी कोशिश करूंगी लेकिन उसके डेस्टिनी में अगर वो है कि उसको चोट आनी है तो
Hmm.
आएगी मैं क्या करूंगी लाइकवाइज हम सतर्क कर सकते हैं हमारे यूथ को, हमारे जनरेशन को, माँ-बाप गाइड कर सकते हैं, बोल सकते हैं कि ये सही है, ये सही नहीं है, ये यू कैन टेक अ हॉर्स टू अ रिवर टू ड्रिंक बोलते हैं ना, ज़बरदस्ती पिला तो नहीं सकते।
हुँ,
सो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे देन इट इज़ देयर अपब्रिंगिंग, इट इज़ देयर वैल्यू सिस्टम, इट इज़ देयर लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस जो उनको बोलेंगे कि आपको क्या करना चाहिए।
एज़ अ मदर, लेकिन अगर आप, जैसे आपने वो फायर का बताया कि अगर वो अगर हाथ डाल ही रही है, डालेगी तो मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ? बट ऑल मदर्स विल फील सो गिल्टी कि अरे हमारा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि हम उसे बताएँ कि ये।
हाँ, बताया ना,
और
बताया,
डू
बचाया,
हुँ,
बचाने की कोशिश की, लेकिन मैं तो नहीं हूँ ना रियाना, मैं हूँ, वो है, आप हो। मैं कितना जब मैं नहीं देख रही हूँ, मैं कहीं और हूँ, उसने हाथ डाला तो मैं क्या
एनीथिंग कैन
करूँ,
हैपन।
राइट?
हुँ,
हाँ, उसके बाद माँ होने के नाते मैं कुछ भी करूँगी उसको बैंडेज बाँधूँगी व्हाटएवर मेडिकल एड दैट आई विल हेल्प हर, आई विल ट्राई टू हील हर, बट आई कांट लिव her life for her.
हुँ,
She has to go through it herself
हुँ,
and she has to make her mistakes
हुँ,
for her life experiences, for her final जो उसका उसकी जो destiny है, she has to take that path. I can't.
हुँ।
I can help her. एक माँ होने के नाते मैं उसको बहुत बहुत सिखा सकती हूँ। अब ये मेरी बच्ची है, बाकी यूथ को मैं क्या सलाह ही दे सकती हूँ ना, उनको जाके फिजिकली रोक तो नहीं सकती।
जैसे हम देख ही सकते हैं बॉलीवुड बहुत चेंज हो गया एंड you've lived through the whole change, I feel like, till now, from when it began the change. And you said somewhere that it's like your second innings right now. You know, so many people, मैं इतने सारे लोगों से बात करती हूँ जो बोलते हैं कि अरे now I've had a kid and like, you know, I can't go back to work. Also, I've lost the um like the
Drive.
experience, the drive, and also world has changed a lot. I speak to a lot of mothers who say that. And I'm like, no, आपके पास जो talent है वो talent तो है ही ना. You can always use it if you have taken a break again. But it takes a lot of courage. So tell us with your journey how you've been able to do that.
I'm somewhere a child at heart and I've never lost that childlike quality. And childlike quality मतलब क्या? जिज्ञासा, intrigue. Constantly, अब क्या हो रहा है? ये क्या हो रहा है? ये कैसे कर सकती हूँ? I can never lose that drive. So मैं कभी भी कोई भी चीज़ से बोर नहीं हो सकती and I'm so passionate about my acting.
Hmm.
I love the camera so much.
Hmm.
It's my first love. तो मैं कभी and I know I'm talented. So besides waiting for the right opportunity, there's nothing much I can do. Yes, in terms of mera health, my physique, mental, physical health, I can take care of myself. In terms of my acting,
Hmm.
probably I can do some, courses right now to enhance my talent. उसके अलावा आई एम डूइंग अदर थिंग्स एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. अभी पिकल बॉल आया है, पैडल बॉल आया है, ये सब
You're
आई
doing.
स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग
Okay.
एंड आई हैव अ 11-12 year old चाइल्ड इन माय हाउस. तो मुझे कभी कभार लगता है मैं रियाना की माँ हूँ कि रियाना की बहन हूँ. सो दैन शी ट्रीट्स मी, शी कॉल्स मी ब्रो. या मैन, शी कॉल्स मी ब्रो.
All the kids have become like
I have
that
to
now.
tell her I'm your mother, I'm not bro. And all those weird words, Loki spiraling.
She
And
says
yeah,
that.
dude, Loki spiraling. Chopped. I'm like, Rihanna, what chopped?
Chopped.
I'm your
I've
mama.
not. I've not heard
I'm
chopped.
your mother. Yeah,
Wow.
mama. She's
Gen
like, yeah,
Alpha.
Gen Alpha. I have that quality in me. तो मैं कभी बोर नहीं हो सकती. मैं कभी ये सब, ये जो आपने अभी बोला, सब मैं कभी नहीं हो सकती. मेरे में वो है.
Hmm.
I still feel like I'm in my 20s. Seriously.
Okay, tell me something that in your 20s you didn't do and now you want to do.
I have honestly, in my 20s, I was exactly like what I was now. I'll tell you.
Okay.
I was very disciplined,
Okay.
extremely disciplined. No late nights. I never had any kind of vice like drinking, smoking. ये सब कभी नहीं था. थोड़ा बहुत socially इधर उधर पी लिया तो ठीक है. But not much. I don't enjoy it. And I was very disciplined यार. जो मैं तब थी, मैं अब हूँ.
So you did everything
बस
you
ऐसे
wanted.
थोड़े चॉइसेस है मेरे लाइफ के, फिल्में जो मुझे या तो नहीं करनी चाहिए थी या करनी चाहिए थी, ये एक मैं करती. आई डिडंट कम फ्रॉम एनी फिल्मी बैकग्राउंड यार. मैं कोई नहीं था मेरे को राइट एडवाइस देने के लिए
Yeah.
कि क्या सही है, क्या गलत है, क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. कुछ नहीं था दिमाग.
ठीक है, without telling me the movies, can you tell me why you shouldn't have done those?
So we are ahead of its time.
Oh, but you are
Yeah.
known for doing like bold and different scripts. So
Yeah,
you
I've
would have to
done.
take a bet.
I have done. But sometimes, you know, what also happens is आपको प्रॉमिस किया जाता है कुछ और जब बन के आता है वो कुछ और ही दिखता है. तो उस टाइम वो दिमाग नहीं होता when you were so young. Experience teaches you right from wrong. Not always, but
Hmm.
you can continue making mistakes. But एक जो क्रिएटिवली को कैसे दिखने वाला है एक्सक्यूज मी उसको कैसे एग्जीक्यूट करेंगे ये पता नहीं चलता
हम्म।
यार बैठे बैठे.
आपको लगता है अगर आज कृष्णा कॉटेज रिलीज होती तो हिट होती?
तभी भी मतलब आज ऑलरेडी हिट हो गई है डिजिटली, तब नहीं हुई, लेकिन आज
आज
सब सुना
digitally
सुना
और
लम्हा लम्हा आज भी गाते हैं. दिशा दिशा मुझे
पर
बुलाते
मुझे
हैं.
मैं तो तब भी देखी थी, मुझे
हाँ.
तो बड़ा मजा आया था.
सबको मजा आया लेकिन हिट कैसे हुई पता नहीं. हर कोई बोलता है वी लव द फिल्म, वी लव द फिल्म, बट थिएटर्स में नहीं हुई थी उतनी बड़ी
वो
हिट.
टाइम पे नहीं हुई थी. इट्स द सेम थिंग एज अंदाज अपना अपना. लाइक वी
अंदाज
लाइक
अपना अपना वाज नॉट अ हिट.
एट दैट टाइम इट वाज आमिर खान सेड हिमसेल्फ कि वो उस जमाने में नहीं था, और आज हम लोग सब उसके सारे
हाँ,
क्राइम मास्टर गो करे जा
आई
रहे
नो.
हैं बिकॉज इट वाज आई डोंट नो अहेड ऑफ इट्स टाइम. सेम थिंग. इसलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ आज अगर वो हॉरर पिक्चर निकलती तो फिर इट वुड हैव डन
Krishna
सो
Cottage,
वेल.
I was very happy. They love my songs. They love my role. I don't have a problem. In fact, I want Ekta should make part 2.
Yeah. It would be fun because also right now that
The
genre
genre is
is doing really
doing
well
well.
and people
Yeah.
want to watch
Watch
horror.
horror.
Do you want to do a sequel of a movie you've
Yeah,
done?
क्या cool है हम.
Why?
अरे what a character I played यार. उर्मिला मातोडकर. Fun था एकदम fantastic था. So some characters people have taken home. Urmila Martodkar, even Disha, and then Chandani from Ek Viva Aisa Bhi. Some characters that people love, and because of OTT now, and they're playing on OTT,
Yeah.
people,
Watching it again. Would you love to be a part of Dawn 3?
I'd love to be a part, whether it's Ranveer or Shah Rukh.
Do you think those are the two options?
I don't know. They should have both.
They should have both, no? It'll be
Yeah.
so much fun.
They should have both. I think Farhan and Ritesh and Ranveer should just forget about everything and work together.
You think so?
I think so, because life is much more than keeping egos and all these kind of negative things. Life is much more than that.
You think like a lot of egos come in between
Lot
and
of
all
clash,
these
lot
things?
of clashes.
Or is it also because externally so many people tell you so many things and then you get swayed?
Could be that too. पता नहीं आप कितने कच्चे कान के हो. Ranveer is also doing very well right now, so everybody's eyes are on him.
I think you should do Dawn 3. And I think you should be in it too.
Thank you. Farhan, are you hearing her? Ritesh? She's
That
got a
she
black
should be-
tongue. I have a black tongue. for
Okay.
Sure.
Which is the character who's most closest to who you are that you've played?
Actually, all of them have a little of me. See, like I did a film called Shabri, in
Okay.
which I play a gangster.
You are a gangster inside.
I'm a gundi and I have no filter. And if there's something that my friends are doing and I don't like, and I don't, friends में.
Okay.
And suppose मेरी टीम भी बन गई,
Okay.
जैसे अभी यहाँ आरती है, मुझे कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगता, कोई बकवास कुछ खा रही है,
तो आप बोल देते
तला
हो.
फला हुआ या कुछ मीठा, तो क्या ये बकवास खा रही है, सब आ जाएगा शक्ल पे, जब आ जाए आई डोंट केयर, फिर उसको बुरा लगे ये लगे, मुझे ऐसा लगता है मेरा जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है उसको बोलना कि ये मत खा
Okay.
बेटा, नहीं तो कुछ
ऐसे-
अनर्थ हो जाएगा.
ऐसा हुआ है कि कभी आपने किसी को बोला है और उन्हें किसी बात का बहुत बुरा लग गया हो?
Most of the time I don't go on and say things to people. I keep quiet. With my friends I'm more vocal. With my own tribe I'm more vocal.
And what happens on a movie set if you're too vocal?
I'm not. My personality itself is, I think people find me very intimidating. I think I'm very intimidating, yaar.
Maybe to other people it can look like that.
You know why? Because
I'm
I have that very boss lady vibes.
Which is a good thing.
I think it's very good. It's like a no nonsense person. But if you ask my friends, I'm full dhamal.
Have people come and told you that you are very intimidating?
No, people have actually come and told me I'm very humble. Who
Okay.
has the guts to come and tell me on my face I'm intimidating? Nobody. But they may say that behind my back. But they'll come and tell me on my face that I'm very humble. हमको लगा नहीं था कि आप इतने, आपको देख के हमको
लगता
डर
नहीं।
लगता था, लेकिन आप ऐसे नहीं हो। डर लगता था मतलब कि आपको लगा असलियत में मैं दिशा कृष्णा कॉटेज की दिशा हूँ। So they actually come to me and then they say that you're a very good person, you're a good natured person, you're very humble, you talk so well, you speak so well, you're so kind.
Which one do you think you are?
I'm very kind, I'm very helpful, and I'm very grounded. I'm all of them, and I could be very intimidating also to people who I don't like. Who I don't like, I have make. I mean, I'm no qualms to show that I don't like you.
Do you think that is a guard you put on yourself to protect yourself?
Probably sometimes I feel the industry makes you, it's a male dominated industry and a male dominated world. Sometimes I feel it just happens because you put your own guard so that you're like a coconut, like a porcupine. जैसे कोई आए
You know, from inside you are like a really soft person and you're trying to protect yourself, and that's why
I
that
think most of us, most of the women I know who have been out there working, who've lived life on their terms, who are the earning, probably the breadwinners. I mean, I come from a middle class family. I started earning at a very young age. My father's a doctor. My mother used to work in a bank, but everybody was pretty much educated. But I started earning at 15. I was into modeling and I started modeling and for fun. That gives you that, I don't know, that responsibility. I was always like that. I was always बहुत खुददार, responsible.
because I know a lot of ambitious women, and like you're saying, they have their guards up, but लोग उन्हें देख के बोलते हैं कि अरे why is she like this?
Yeah, well, if you mess with me,
Hmm.
then don't ask me to, give you मेरा दूसरा गाल. I'm not like that. I'm not like that. I used to be a people pleaser. Like, बचपन में मुझे याद है मेरे को boycott करते थे friends because I think I always had that X factor and people can't handle that. So it's their problem. But I realize that now that it was their problem. I should have realized it then. And I used to go with chocolates and all to please them. कि मेरे से बात
Oh.
करो, मेरे से बात करो. I was very 7 years old, 8 years old. So, so that time I used to feel that you need that validation. मेरे से बात करो. After a certain point, I didn't care a damn.
What was that point for you where you stopped caring and stopped people pleasing?
अपनी खुद की कीमत पहचान होने में मतलब थोड़ा लगता है. बोलते हैं ना कि बादाम खाने से अक्कल आती नहीं, धोखा खाने से अक्कल आती है. तो ये धोखे से ही अक्कल आ गई. अलग अलग टाइप के धोखे मिले मुझे ऐसे थाली में. ये लो, ये भी लो. Sometimes you get a raw deal because you knew people want you in their movie, but you don't get the best role that you probably would have wanted, and they short sell you. These kind of things is what I mean. I mean, I want a dynamic role which presents me well, it positions me well. They promise you that. They give you a very flowery picture. In the end, when you see it's, you know what I mean? Those kind of things. You don't realize it in the beginning, and then you make your mistakes, and then you're like, what did I just do? I mean, why me?
Do you think you've done the kind of role that you would
No,
have
not yet.
wanted to?
I have. I have done three films. One is Shabri, one is Kya Cool Hai Hum. And they are just, I've done so many films, but there are just few roles that I'm very close to.
Okay.
And Shabri and Urmila Martodkar is one of them. Chandni also from Ek Viva Aisa Bhi. And that's about it. Imagine from all the films I've done. I'm very close to these films. And the glamorous Isha from Khalas is again very close to my heart because that's my claim to fame.
Was that your identity for a long time?
Still is, no? I mean, still is in the sense, no. But it's pretty much me, the Khalas girl. You mess with me, that's what happens to you.
Khalas. Tell me the most fun part about shooting Khalas. Or did it happen after?
It became a monster, and once it became a monster of a song, that's when I actually started enjoying it. When I was shooting, I was very scared.
Okay.
Because I'd never done something like that, something so glamorous I'd never shot in my life. I had played the girl next door before that in South, but I'd never done something like this.
Following up the last question, I wanted to ask you, what is a character that you would love to play that you haven't got a chance to yet?
I would like to play a warrior queen in some nice biopic.
Okay.
I would like to play some solid roles where the woman has some substance, the kind Sanjay Leela Bansali normally portrays. Um, I like the way even Imtiaz Ali directs his heroines. So it could be anything. It could be a queen, or it could be, a role like Mother India that Nargis ji played. Something on those. And I'm very good with comedy. I would love to do a great comedy. I've not done a comedy after Kya Cool Hai Hum. So I would like to play a I would like to do a superb role in a comedy film.
You said you started working when you were, and in the modeling industry when you were 15.
Yeah.
And so obviously you had no idea what this whole industry is going to be. When you entered, tell me, how did your perception change about the industry? Like, ऐसा होता है ना, हम ये industry में ये काम करेंगे और ऐसा होगा, but then it turns out to be much different for everybody.
You don't realize it. You just go with the flow. Everything was very overwhelming for me. The good times and the bad times. Khalas was overwhelming. And even when the disappointments came, it was like, my God, people judge you by what you're doing. And if you're not doing anything, means you're not alive. You're dead meat. That's what people think about you. So, but then that's what I said. It doesn't dictate my character. When I started with modeling, and modeling was great. Modeling was fun. I was still studying. I did my TYBSc in genetic engineering. So from 15 to 21, I was studying modeling and doing my South films. So I used to take chutti from my principal in college and go and do my South films. So I did quite a few number of films there. I won some awards and in the South. And then I started. After 21, 22, I started my Bollywood.
And how did you?
I started Bollywood with Khalas.
That was the first thing.
That was the first thing I
So
did.
your expectation from yourself would also then be high, and even the public's, right? ऐसा हो जाता है ना कि oh, like now you have to keep giving us that.
No, in fact, with Khalas, see, now the industry is different. Now there's no, everybody's a character. The hero is also a character. The heroine is also a character. And then there, of course, a lot of other characters. Ensemble. Earlier, it was not like that. Everybody was categorized. And when I did that song, I was not the heroine. I was just a special appearance. And then I was inundated with those kind of offers, which I had to very blatantly refuse.
आपने मना कर दिया?
Of course.
Okay.
उसके बाद मैंने कांटे भी की इश्क समुंदर. And then I was like, that's it. बस हो गया. Because then मुझे पता था कि I could do much more than that. मुझे पता है मेरा talent. आप लोगों को पता नहीं होगा. मुझे तो पता है ना. So I had to say, stop. I want more and I deserve more. And then, of course, you have to wait. The actors are paid to wait. Yeah, I don't say that. Jack Nicholson says that.
I know.
So, yeah, you just keep on waiting until you get that one good moment. And then it's worth the wait.
Yeah.
So then I had done a small role in D, and then the film D. And then Javed Saab and Shabana ji saw it, and then I got Dawn. And then it's history. And then I kept doing films.
Tell me what it was working on Dawn.
It was fun with Shah Rukh. Yeah. What, I mean, I've said it in so many interviews. Shah Rukh is Shah Rukh. I want to work again with him. This is one Shah Rukh, and then that's it. That's all I can say. And he's not just the way he is in his movies. He is like that in real life as well. He's blessed.
What trait of him makes him different?
The kind of respect that he gives people. I will not say only women. People. He makes every person feel special. He makes every person feel he's Shah Rukh Khan. He. So, like the other person is Shah Rukh Khan. And he makes himself in front of him, you are larger than life. So who can do that? Not everybody can do that. Not everybody can make you feel that way. And in life, that's one thing I've learned from him, is that people remember the experience they've had with you. They may not remember the incidents. They may not remember the words. But उनको वो
फीलिंग याद
फीलिंग
रहती है.
याद रहती है कि मैंने क्या महसूस किया था जब मैं उससे मिली थी या इससे मिली थी, किसी से भी मिली थी. And if that feeling is right and that feeling makes you feel good, then I think, you've just met a very beautiful person. Because you don't remember anything else. I don't remember शाहरुख ने क्या बोला था या क्या था, कौन सा सीन था. फर्स्ट सीन था, जो मेरा फर्स्ट सीन था, मेरी बैंड बजी हुई थी क्योंकि
Why?
शाहरुख was not in the scene, but I could hear him on the set, and I couldn't see him because everything was dark and only that portion where you're shooting was lit up. तो मेरी आवाज वहीं पे खत्म हो गई. मेरा फुल कॉन्फिडेंस जो था वहीं पे ठुस हो गया.
Because he was around?
Yeah.
Okay.
But then after that I became fine, and then of course after that, when we did our scenes together, songs, everything, he's so much fun. He's like a child. He's got the energy of a kid, and that is again one quality, like I said, that should always be there in you, especially if you're in front of the camera. जो आप उस टाइम बात कर रहे थे कि बहुत लोग आते हैं बोलते कि आई डोंट हैव दैट ड्राइव, आई डोंट हैव दैट विल, आई डोंट नो हाउ आई डू इट ऑल ओवर अगेन. नाउ लुक एट शाहरुख खान. Even at this age, he's been there, he's done that, still he's doing that. And he's doing it so well.
That's what I say. Like, people say that, we've had so many failures and all. I don't count those failures until you've given up. You can't fail till you've given up.
Yeah. And you have to fail to rise, to know what success feels like. You have to. Trust me, when you fall and when you rise, the way you rise is a different feeling. And I feel that sometimes God puts you through that for you not only to realize how it's going to be later, जब आप enjoy करते हो वो success, but also that vulnerability makes you beautiful. Being vulnerable is beautiful. In fact, recently I had a talk and I spoke about one Japanese art called Onitsuki, where they celebrate the cracks of the pot by decorating it with gold. So all the cracks, if a pot breaks, they crack, the cracks जो होते हैं ना उसको gold में भर देते हैं ताकि आप अपने, you honor the pauses, you honor the failures, you honor the cracks. Because being vulnerable is beautiful. While talking, you feel, you cry, you laugh. जब आपको जिंदगी तोड़ती है ना, तो जब वो फीलिंग तोड़ने के बाद ही आती है, नहीं तो नहीं आती.
You said you've had a lot of disappointments also, of course, with the highs. Tell us what biggest lesson you've learned from them.
All the disappointments in your life and that the setbacks are very temporary. Very temporary. But the teachings are permanent. So learn from your setbacks because that's why they're there in your life.
When were you the most disappointed?
I've had my personal life setbacks. I've had, everybody knows of it. I've had my professional setbacks where something is about to fall into your lap and it just निकल जाता है. तो ये सब होता रहता है. It's a part and parcel of life. And I'm human. मैं पत्थर की नहीं हूँ कि मुझे फील ही नहीं होगा, राइट? छोटा डिसअपॉइंटमेंट हो, डिसअपॉइंटमेंट तो है ना, या बड़ा भी हो, डिसअपॉइंटमेंट तो है ना. उसका कोई कैलकुलेटर, थर्मोमीटर है क्या कि इतना डिसअपॉइंटमेंट है, इतना डिसअपॉइंटमेंट इज डिसअपॉइंटमेंट, राइट? जैसे फीवर हम मेजर कर सकते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं, बॉडी मेजरमेंट्स मेजर कर सकते हैं इंचेस. आप डिसअपॉइंटमेंट मेजर कर सकते हो क्या? नहीं. Disappointment is disappointment, वो कितना छोटा हो या कितना बड़ा हो. So I've had my little disappointments, you disillusioned in life because you feel that wow, ये इतना अच्छा है, लेकिन फिर होता है नहीं, इतना अच्छा नहीं है, इसमें थोड़ी बुराई है. So इसमें मतलब I'm not talking about a person, I'm talking about a mahal.
Okay, what are you glad that happened?
I'm glad that I'm on a healthy people diet.
That is healthy people diet.
Healthy people diet is I want all healthy people around me who think healthy. Healthy is not only about what you eat. Healthy in thoughts, healthy in character, healthy in every manner. So I surround myself only with healthy people, and I only vibe with that kind of a tribe.
What traits do these healthy people have?
जो लोगों को उनके स्टेटस, उनके पैसे, उनका काम, क्या धंधा, क्या है, आप क्या करते हो, कितना कमाते हो के बेसिस पे, बलबूते पे जज नहीं करते. आप कैसे हो, किस टाइप के इंसान हो, उसके बलबूते पे आपके साथ रहते हैं. दिस इज व्हाट आई थिंक इज हेल्दी. I don't care about how much money you make, what kind of a house you live in, what's your bank balance. What bothers me is how you treat me. And I treat you accordingly. So,
I have the same life philosophy. I can't judge people on what they have. It's who they are.
who they are.
But we live in such a superficial society कि हर चीज actually measure उसी से होती है.
होती होगी, लेकिन आपको मैं एक चीज बताऊं, इंसान कितना भी कमा ले, इंसान कितना भी फेमस हो, कितना भी सक्सेसफुल हो, अगर वो इंसान अच्छा नहीं होना, तो आप उसको एक सेकंड में रिजेक्ट कर दोगे. अगर आपका उसके साथ कोई व्हाट इज अ मोटिव है, उसके साथ बिजनेस है, तो ठीक है, तो फिर ठीक है, बिजनेस कर लो. यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. लेकिन अगर कोई एजेंडा नहीं है, तो आपको फर्क नहीं पड़ता वो इंसान कैसा भी हो, वो इंसान अच्छा है या इंसान अच्छा नहीं है, ये फर्क पड़ता है. मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ अच्छा कुक घर में, मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि उसका कितना अच्छा है. अच्छे कुक को अच्छा खाना बनाना आना चाहिए.
Hmm.
Understand what I'm saying? I'm talking about the people I vibe with.
Hmm.
I want in my life around me. My
Hmm.
friends. What I've learned from my family is like that. My parents, we don't care about your pocket.
Hmm.
अगर मैं किसी के साथ काम कर रही हूँ, तो ऑफ कोर्स उसकी वो किस तरीके का प्रोफेशनल है वो देखूंगी. डायरेक्टर है, प्रोड्यूसर है, whether he's capable of making that project. You should see the light of the day. मतलब फिल्म रिलीज होनी चाहिए. बट अगर मेरे दोस्त हैं, मेरे आसपास उनको रखना है, तो मैं ये सब नहीं देखूंगी. मेरे कहने
Of
का
course.
मतलब ये है.
Yeah.
सो फॉर मी दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट.
Of course, you'll judge them by what, it's not by their career or by what work
It is
they
not,
do.
yeah.
Of course.
And even if I meet somebody for the first time, it doesn't bother me. You could be anybody. I will be nice to you if you are nice to me. And my being nice to you is not dependent on all those other factors that.
Hmm.
Like I said, I love listening to people. I love watching people's interviews. I like to read self-help and management books, understand other people's perspectives in life. तो ये सब ना, ये डिजिटली एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छी हुई है कि ये सब जब थॉट्स आपको अलग अलग लोगों से सुनने को आता है, that really has a very positive, and once you read that kind or you see that kind of content, वही content वापस आता रहता है.
Hmm.
So this is one thing I see digitally. I love watching all these kind of positive things, whether it's spiritual things, positive thoughts. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Do you also have a book that changed your life?
I don't have any book that changed my life, but I have, when I listen to certain people and when I listen to their life stories,
Whose
I
life
just
story?
generally incidents
Okay.
where how Gaur Gopal Das ji spoke about his one incident in his life to me personally, which changed him, about him and his father.
Okay.
So when you listen to all this, it kind of opens, जैसे थर्ड आई ओपन होता है ना, वैसे एक कोई विंडो ओपन हो जाता है आपकी ब्रेन में.
Hmm.
मैं उबर और टैक्सी में जाती हूँ अभी भी, मुझे मजा आता है. एंड आई टेल माई अदर फ्रेंड्स टू बुक फॉर मी
Okay.
बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू गिव माई नेम.
Okay.
सपोज आई एम गोइंग समवेयर, आई विल नॉट बुक, आई टेल दैट पर्सन मेरे लिए बुक कर यार. अच्छा,
Okay.
देन आई वेयर अ मास्क एंड देन दे हियर माय वॉइस. आपको ऐसे लगता है आपको कहीं
कहीं
देखा है, मैंने कहा यार मैंने ग्लेयर्स पहने हैं, मैंने मास्क पहना है, फिर भी देखा है। तो आपकी आवाज़ ऐसे लगता है कहीं सुनी है। ओह गॉड! Then I'm like, हाँ, Then I talk to them. Then I ask them about their life, ask them where they stay, ask them who all live in their family, their journey. I love it. And then when I listen to them, I feel यार हम क्या complain करते हैं ज़िंदगी में?
Hmm.
What are we, have gratitude for what you have in life. Be grateful for what you have in life. जो भगवान देगा वो बोनस है.
What are you most grateful about?
I'm grateful about everything. I'm grateful that I can see. I'm grateful that I have hair. I'm grateful that I'm pretty. I'm grateful that I have a child. I'm grateful that I have parents. I'm grateful that I have such lovely friends. I'm grateful for everything that I have. Whatever that I've said, there's so many people who don't even have that. I'm grateful that I can see you. I'm grateful that I can walk. I'm grateful for every little thing in my life.
Sometimes we forget it, right?
We forget. And when you see what is happening to the world around you, you realize what you have and what you could have not had. And we just take everything for granted. I'm grateful I sleep in a bed. I'm grateful I have a roof. I can roam around in my car.
Yeah, there are so many people that don't have that.
I'm just grateful for everything. And that's it.
What part about it makes you emotional?
When you realize that how kind and how loving God is, and how much we keep complaining. People who don't have basics can still complain. We have 3 meals, like I said, a roof, a bed. We have enough to live a normal life. And then when we complain that हमारे पास मर्सिडीज है, हमको रेंज रोवर चाहिए, रेंज रोवर है, रोल्स रॉयस चाहिए, रोल्स रॉयस है, प्राइवेट जेट चाहिए, प्राइवेट जेट है, the list just goes on. And we are never content. Never. It is okay to be restless, work hard, but be grateful. And don't complain. You have to work hard. I love my life. I love working. I want to be a certain way. I want my life to be a certain way. Great. I'm happy that, people love me. I'm happy that I'm famous or whatever, everything. I'm happy about everything in my life. Great. Don't complain.
But when we are young, so many times it so happens, right? That we're just like looking at things that we don't have. And it just
I'll tell you, it's not, हम छोटे थे तब की बात नहीं. अब डिजिटली हम इतना कंटेंट देखते हैं, लोग इतनी चीजें डालते हैं इंस्टाग्राम पे या फेसबुक पे, हमको पता भी नहीं है उसकी ऑथेंटिसिटी, उसके फैक्ट्स कि कितनी इसमें सच्चाई है. सचमुच में ये इंसान इतना खुश है या ये सिर्फ एक रील बना रहा है, हमको ये पता नहीं होता. एंड वेरी इम्प्रेशनेबल एज पे बच्चे देखते हैं और वो इस चीज से भावुक हो जाते हैं. उनको लगता है कि दिस इज इट, दिस इज लाइफ.
मैं सबको ये बोलती हूँ, इंस्टाग्राम इज लाइक 10 minutes of their day. Out of all their day, they are putting that little bit time out.
एंड यू डोंट इवन नो इफ इट्स ट्रू और नॉट.
And वो अपना बेस्ट दिखा रहे हैं.
आपको पता भी नहीं है वो सच है कि नहीं है. मैं आपको सच में बता रही हूँ. इट कुड बी मेक बिलीव, राइट? जैसे हम एड्स में दिखाते हैं. क्या एड्स, हर चीज जो एड्स में हम लोग जो लोगों को बोलते हैं खाओ, वो हम खुद खाते हैं? मैं तो नहीं खाती. इफ टुमारो आई एम प्रोमोटिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ फॉर इंस्टेंस एनीथिंग दैट हैज शुगर, आई डोंट ईट शुगर.
पर आप उसका ऐड करते
ना
हैं.
मैं ऐड तो करूंगी. गवर्नमेंट बेच रही है ना. ऑफ कोर्स अल्कोहल मैं नहीं कर सकती, बट उसका ऐड तो करूंगी. शुगर, नॉर्मल बिस्किट्स में भी शुगर, हर चीज में शुगर नहीं है. ऐड तो करूंगी. फिर घर बैठना पड़ेगा डियर, कुछ नहीं करूंगी तो.
पर लोगों को बताना चाहिए ऐसे कि ये
मैं
प्रोडक्ट
तो
है,
बोलती
हम
हूँ.
यूज.
नहीं, मतलब एक डिस्क्लेमर तो वो खुद लोग डालते हैं, बट ऐसी कोई चीज, मतलब बिस्किट से सभी खाते हैं यार. मैं कुछ एक्स्ट्रा हूँ. बहुत ऐसे लोग हैं जो बहुत हम एक्टर्स फॉर इंस्टेंस नहीं खाते. 90% ऑफ एक्टर्स डोंट ईट शुगर बिकॉज इट एजेस यू. बट हमारी जनता है उसमें 1% पॉपुलेशन भी नहीं होगा जो शुगर नहीं खाता.
Yeah.
Exactly. So we cater to that, right? I'm not catering to my industry.
If you had to tell Rihanna one biggest advice of life, only one you could choose, what would that be?
Life is not permanent. I would tell her, just be happy in whatever you do, because at the end of the day, that is what matters. It is not the money or the degree or, like I said, the awards or the title, the profession. It's not a particular thing, but that can make people have everything and they're not happy, and they may not have anything and they're extremely happy. So if anybody asks you, what do you want in life, or what do you want to be in life, just say, I want to be happy. Happiness doesn't just come to you. You have to practice being happy, Rihanna, in whatever situation that you're in, good or bad.
But you can't always be happy.
You can be 75% times sad and 25% times happy. मतलब 100% पे 75% to 80% हम सैड ही होते हैं. 25% हमको आइसक्रीम मिल गई, डॉल मिल गया, बचपन की बात कर रही हूँ, अब एक फिल्म मिल गई, ऑस्कर मिल गया, नेशनल अवार्ड मिल गया, कितना होगा? हर दूसरे दिन तो ऑस्कर नहीं मिलेगा ना, या नेशनल अवार्ड नहीं मिलेगा, या फिल्म फेयर नहीं मिलेगा, राइट? बट वो 85% मतलब आप यू वांट टू बी सैड रियली? So what do you do? What choice do you have? Tell me. You want to be sad? You be sad. I want to be happy. So I will practice happiness.
Okay, tell me somebody is in a bad situation and it's a prolonged period in their life कि कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा है या कुछ खराब हो गया उनके. जो आप बोल रहे हैं ना कि एक choice है. So I want to understand from you, how do you make that choice of being happy in that situation which is not as per what you want?
We all have had those prolonged periods in our life. Okay? The worst is losing a loved one. For me, I feel that is the worst.
That is.
If you can handle that, you can handle anything in life. And if you're healthy and you don't have any terminal illness, then you can handle anything in life. I think these are the worst two things. If you're in a bad marriage, in a bad relationship, in any bad situation, get out.
Okay.
Get out before it's too late. If you are doing something that you're not happy with, get out. What stops you? But if you're in a situation that is not created by you and you can't get out, I don't understand what kind of a situation that would be.
Example. There are so many people in bad marriages that can't leave for whatever.
Why can't they leave?
There are some people who, because see, we come from like the 0.1% of India. Okay, when you look at the larger picture and you look at so many people women who are in such situations where they don't have the courage to be able to leave.
Why can't they
For
leave?
example, it could be finances, it could be children.
Why is it finances? No. Just keep answering my question. So why is it finances?
They don't have the skill set to go out there and make money on their own.
Why do they not have the skill set?
They've never acquired them. Maybe they don't have the education that we did.
Yes.
Our environment.
Our system
is different.
Yes. So everything is linked. You don't want a girl child because आपको लगता है वो बोझ है. क्योंकि जैसे वो पैदा होती है, आपको लगता है कि वो जब शादी करेगी डाउरी देनी पड़ेगी, उसको एजुकेट करना पड़ेगा, बालिक हो जाती है वैसे ही टेंशन हो जाता है कि उसको कुछ हो ना जाए. Right? Everything is connected. So we have to, it'll take us 100 years.
Exactly. So what does that one individual, how do they get the courage to be like, I can leave this situation? There's so many people who can't leave.
They can leave.
Okay.
I think God has given all of us something. कुछ ना कुछ भगवान हमको एक मौका देते जरूर है.
Okay.
अपनी लाइफ बनाने के लिए. या तो पहली बात तो अच्छा आप ये लोगों की बात कर रहे हैं जो वो सिचुएशन में ऑलरेडी है. मैं तो बोलती हूँ वो सिचुएशन में जो लोग नहीं है, कम से कम आप सुधरो. Educate your girls. Tell them to be independent. Tell them to be happy on their own. Tell them to be secure by themselves and not wait for somebody else to come and make them first secure and then insecure.
Hmm.
First, you give them security, and then one fine day you say Tata bye bye. You behave in a way that the poor woman has to leave, and then she doesn't know where she's going to go, and she then ends up her life because she feels that she can't even go to her parents. माँ बाप के घर पे भी नहीं जा सकती, ना इधर रह सकती हूँ, ना माँ बाप के घर पे जा सकती हूँ, तो मैं बोझ बन गई. तो बोझ क्यों बन गई आप बोझ इसलिए बन गई क्योंकि आप खुद के पैरों पे खड़े नहीं हो सकते, इसलिए आप बोझ हो. तो एवरीथिंग स्टार्ट्स विथ मी. जब तक आप अपनी लाइफ की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं लोगे और कोई क्यों ले, मैं आपको पूछ रही हूँ. आपके माँ बाप एक हद तक लेंगे, उसके बाद कोई दूसरा आदमी ले, क्यों? वो कौन है जो तुम्हारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेगा? तुम खुद अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं ले सकती, वो क्यों ले? आई एम अ वुमन. मैं औरत होके ऐसे बात कर रही हूँ आपसे. मेरी बेटी है, फिर भी मैं ऐसे बात कर रही हूँ. मैं जिंदगी में भगवान न करे ऐसा मौका आए where Rihanna has to be, I have to tell her, Rihanna, you have to be secure on your own. Nobody is going to take your responsibility. You will have to take. जब तुम खुद अपनी charity begins at home सिखाते हैं ना हम लोग. What is at home? Home is first you यार.
I wish also that more women were independent, और काश वो ये जल्दी समझ जाए कि financially independent होना जरूरी है, so that she
Financially भी
can.
नहीं. Independent enough to take decisions. To know when to get out. To know when to leave before it's too late. We know of instances. Is anything more important than your own life? Nothing is.
No.
Nothing is. हम है, जान है तो जहान है.
Hmm.
So I am very aware and I'm full अपने conscious state में बात कर रही हूँ. औरत होने के बावजूद हमारे बहुत weaknesses हैं, हमारे बहुत problems हैं, लेकिन हमको खुद उस चीज को own up करके उसकी responsibility लेनी पड़ेगी. कंप्लेन तो कोई भी कर सकता है. कंप्लेन करना बहुत आसान है. खुद की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेना सबसे ज्यादा मुश्किल है.
Argument's sake, I'm a very independent person. But अगर कोई ऐसी सिचुएशन में होता है ना, उन्हें लगता है कि ऐसा नहीं है कि वो सडनली डिपेंडेंट हो गए, राइट? आपको बचपन से अगर यही बताया गया कि अभी आपके पेरेंट्स आपको आपका देखभाल कर रहे हैं, आपको प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, फिर देन यू गेट मैरिड एंड देन इवन इफ यू आर अर्निंग देन देयर इज अनदर फैमिली यू आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर. मैं उन लोगों की बात कर रही
हाँ, तो
हूँ.
उन लोगों को अपना माइंडसेट चेंज करना पड़ेगा. अब जिन लोगों ने गलतियां की, उन लोगों ने गलतियां की. हर मैं वो डिस्कस करना ही नहीं चाहती क्योंकि ये कहीं और जाएगा. फिर मैं ये बोल रही हूँ कि हमको हमारा पूरा माइंडसेट चेंज करना पड़ेगा. सबको,
Around
अर्बन, रूरल,
marriages,
सबको. हमको हमारे सिस्टम को ही चेंज करना पड़ेगा.
to empower our girls.
हमको हमारे लॉ को स्ट्रिंजेंट करना पड़ेगा. हाँ, ये रूल्स और ये रेगुलेशंस आने के बाद हो सकता है बहुत डिवोर्सेस हो सकते हैं, लेकिन जान बचेगी लोगों की. Just now recently they said no, a divorced daughter is better than a dead daughter.
It's true, 100%.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बोला ना ये.
Hmm.
फिर
Hmm.
just because I am divorced, I'm not advocating that. But I am saying when I spoke about girls being independent, there were some people sad, very sad, जो बोलते हैं कि खुद डिवोर्स्ड है तो ऐसे बात कर रही है. औरतें भी ऐसी बोलती हैं. मैं हैरान थी. उनका हमें कुछ नहीं कर सकती, जो उनकी सोच ही ऐसी है. लेकिन जो आने वाली जनरेशन है, जो आने वाले जो बच्चे हैं, उनकी तो सोच हम चेंज कर सकते हैं ना. सही रूल्स रेगुलेशंस, हमारे रूल्स लॉज सुपर्ब है. एग्जीक्यूशन में प्रॉब्लम है. एग्जीक्यूट करो वो लॉज. और मैं ये भी कह रही हूँ कि औरतों के लिए लॉज और मर्दों के लिए भी, क्योंकि आज वो भी हो रहा है. दोनों तरफ से हो रहा है. women are taking undue advantage because the law is more towards them. मर्दों को प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही है. There's so many suicide cases. आपको क्या लगता है क्यों पेरेंट्स डिसाइड नहीं कर पाते? बच्ची को क्यों बोलते हैं बार बार कि आप मत आओ, आप एडजस्ट करो. क्यों?
It's very stupid, but because क्योंकि उन्हें सोसाइटी का और लोग क्या बोलेंगे उसका सबसे बड़ा डर रहता है.
राइट.
Which is stupid.
उसके अलावा
उसके अलावा कहीं ऐसा हो सकता है कि उन्हें लगेगा कि उन्हें वापस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेनी पड़ेगी. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट
हो
विलेजेस.
सकता है। उसके अलावा
उसके अलावा उन्हें क्या प्रॉब्लम होगी
अब
अपनी
मुझे
बच्ची को
बताइए, ये
एक्सेप्ट
नहीं होता,
करने में?
बेटे की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेनी पड़ती, ये नहीं हो, ये रूल आउट करो,
हाँ,
ऐसा नहीं होता।
हाँ.
सोसाइटी क्या बोलेगी, ये नहीं होता, तो एक्सेप्ट करते? हो सकता है करते।
हम्म.
कब करते? तब करते जब शादी होने के टाइम, जैसे हम हमारे बिजनेस में कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स करते हैं ना,
हम्म.
वैसे बराबर होना चाहिए। एक लॉ,
आपको लगता है प्रीनप होना चाहिए इंडिया में?
आई डोंट नो, लॉ
हम्म.
की शादी की, आपकी और आपकी शादी हो गई, खर्चा इतना हुआ, कल कुछ हुआ ये तरफ से मेरी बेटी को, तो सब कुछ जो हमने किया वो हमको मिलना चाहिए।
हम्म.
आपको इतना हमारी बेटी को देना पड़ेगा, उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इतनी आपको लेनी पड़ेगी, एलिमनी जिसको
हम्म.
बोलते हैं। ये साइड में हुआ। अगर लड़की ने शादी की लड़के से, क्योंकि बहुत रईस है, 1 साल 2 साल शादी कर लेती हूँ, एलिमनी मिल जाए, तुमने तोड़ा, तो फिर ये लॉ, ऑल ऑफ दिस आई डोंट नो हाउ, आई एम नॉट सिटिंग देयर, लेकिन ये क्लियर होगा ना अलीना, व्हेन इट्स बाय द बुक एंड व्हेन द लॉज आर वेरी क्लियर, पब्लिक को प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी। अब पेरेंट्स को स्ट्रेस ये होता है कि डिवोर्स, कोर्ट जाना पड़ेगा, पता नहीं लॉयर, फाइट कौन करेगा, कौन आएगा, लड़के लोग ये बोलेंगे, लड़की वाले ये बोलेंगे, हम कहाँ जाएं। दिस इज व्हाट किल्स देम मोर देन एनीथिंग, द स्ट्रेस ऑफ द डिवोर्स,
हम्म.
मोर देन सोसाइटी। जब सब कुछ क्लियर है, लड़के की गलती है, लड़की परेशान है, लड़का ऐसा करता है मैं नहीं रह सकती, या लड़की ऐसी करती है मैं नहीं रह सकता, तो पता चलता है कि किसकी गलती है। डायरेक्ट एक कंप्लेन, खत्म।
हम्म.
But that pressure, that stress of going through that entire circus
You're
is
right.
what ruins families.
Yeah,
It's
you're right.
traumatic.
You're right. It's that phase.
Simplify it.
Hmm.
How can you simplify it? I'm not authority on that. But I feel most of the time when things are simplified, it's easier for you to walk that path. It's easier for you to take that decision.
For the parents, it'll become easier.
Yeah, for the parents. Even for the
Person
couple.
going through
Even
it.
for the person going through it.
And then there's our society, who I don't know why still give it so much importance if somebody is divorced.
It's their life, यार तुम अपनी देखो यार,
Hmm.
तुम अपनी लाइफ जियो।
Hmm.
मुझे
think
most of the
it's-
time people who don't have their own business get into other people's businesses. What do you do now? There are all sorts of people, but आपको थोड़ा you should understand कि किसको
Ignore करना चाहिए.
आसान नहीं है, but I've gone through it so I can say it.
No, it's a very difficult
All sorts of people come to
phase.
you, they try to be whatever they want to be, empathetic, sympathetic, they try to dig, they don't, but you बहुत पता भी चलता है लाइफ में कि कौन खरा है, कौन खोटा है, कौन अपना है, कौन नहीं है, कौन पराया है, सब पता चलता है। बट देन अगेन दैट्स लाइफ टीचिंग्स ना, लाइफ टीचिंग यू समथिंग, देन उससे आपको अपनी बाउंड्रीज पता चलती है, किसको कितने पास आने देना है, किसको नहीं।
You know, and somebody asks me like, how do you do all of the things that you're doing with everything that you've been through? And I'm like, I didn't ask God for an easy life. I asked God for a fulfilling life. तो होगा ही ना मेरे साथ ऊपर नीचे. If I think I'm made for something better and bigger than everybody else, then I have to go through that path.
Yes. If you want to be on top of the mountain, you have to climb that mountain.
Exactly right.
बराबर.
तो वो सब, and those experiences only give me that life experience to be able to impact so many other people's life.
Yeah, I agree. So you have to be very aware of आप क्या मांगते हो भगवान से.
Yeah, I asked God for a fulfilling life.
आप
Now I'm going to get everything.
आप fulfilling मांगो.
The people around you, you said you come to know like a lot in that time, no? How can you tell better? Sometimes I'm not able to identify between people and their intentions. I take everybody on face value. कि कोई अच्छा है तो like अच्छा ही होगा. I can't tell intentions.
You be nice to everybody, no? Who's told you not to be nice to everybody?
I'm nice to everybody.
बस like I am. Be nice to everybody. But किसी को अपनी लाइफ के बारे में बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है ना.
हाँ.
खत्म.
I would like to know what everybody's intention is. I wish I knew.
There's
Can't
no
tell.
need. देखो मर जाओगी, ये योर साइड आ जाए और आपको पता चले कि दूर कहीं कोसों मील दूर कोई बात कर रहा है और तुम्हारे बारे में और तुम सुनोगी तो खत्म, you'll be
Not मेरे
finished.
बारे में. Like I said,
I don't
intention.
want to know what anybody says about me, yaar.
Hmm.
Why do I need to know?
What happens when you're a Bollywood celebrity and everyone has access to whatever they want to say to you?
Let them say. If criticism is constructive, I take it. As for insights, I'll take it. But I know if it's trolling and it's negative, out.
It never bothered you.
No, it bothers you. You have to learn how to not let it bother you.
How?
It take again practice.
Hmm.
I'll tell you something. Recently, somebody called me. Okay, some fraud,
Hmm.
money laundering,
Hmm.
and started abusing the shit out of me.
Okay.
Okay, I was like, I cut the phone and I blocked the number and I called cybercrime and I said, because when मैंने जाके देखा Truecaller में वो fraud था. Now he probably knew, he had gotten into my somebody's phone who I knew and knew that I knew that person.
Oh.
So
Scary.
my friend's phone was hacked and that's how the person
Got your number.
got my number. Now the person doesn't know who I am, but the person has my number.
Okay.
They called me and they said things to me. And I know who I am. For that moment, I was so disturbed.
Of course.
But then I'm asking myself, why am I disturbed? Because I'm like, that person doesn't know you. Achha, even if that person knew me and abused me, it is what that person comes with. His bandwidth, his life, his whoever the crappy person that he is. Why am I letting him, his words affect me? Am I that? That means I'm believing what he said is true, kya? So then, you have to actually psych yourself like this when people say anything. So you cannot बहुत ऊंचा लोग लेके जाएंगे वो भी नहीं सुनना है और उठा के फेंकेंगे वो भी नहीं सुनना है. न्यूट्रल रहना है. Both ways.
I learned it the hard way because when I was in therapy, she had told me that if you like everybody's praises और आपको बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है तो like she asked me how do you feel? ऐसा कोई तारीफ करेगा तो obviously अच्छा ही feel होगा ना, I'm a human being. So but then if that same person comes and says something bad about you, then it's going to affect you a lot.
Yeah.
And then I was like, okay, but like that's human emotion. How do you control that? I said that is what life teaches you. That is what you have to be like. If somebody's saying good about you, you accept it obviously and you appreciate it, but you don't let it get to you.
Yes.
That it's who I am. I'm the
Yes.
best.
Validation. Yes.
And then when somebody says bad about you, it's not like you are a bad person. So how can you take it to
Yes.
personally?
Yes.
That is a thing that comes with age
Age.
and experience. You can't have that when you are young.
Yeah. So for the people watching us, for them we are stars, we are superstars, we are not reachable, we live such great lives. तो जब आप लोगों को पता चलता है कि हम जैसे लोग भी ऐसे दौर से गुजरते हैं, हमारे साथ भी ऐसा होता है, हम भी अपने आप को रोज टूटने से बचाते हैं, जोड़ते हैं, संभलते हैं, फिर उठते हैं, फिर गिरते हैं. So they take that life lesson from us, saying that if these people can go through it, we can easily do this. And most of the time, you have to go online or in this manner, you have to inspire them by not showing them a good life, by showing them the atrocities and the adversities in your life of what you have gone through, so that it teaches them. तुमने तो सीखा ही है तुम्हारी लाइफ में, तो वो भी सीखे कि यार इनके साथ ऐसा हुआ यार, फिर भी अपने आप को ऐसे रखती हैं, फिर भी ऐसे, तो हम क्यों नहीं? और हर एक इंसान आपसे अगर कुछ ना कुछ अगर सीख के जा सकता है, आई थिंक दैट इज माई काइंड ऑफ डिफरेंस आई हैव मेड. If I can affect one life in a good manner, I have done it.
we always see the success. हमें दिखता है कि ओ वाओ इसने ये अचीव किया, इसने ये खरीदा, इसने ये किया, बट कोई ये नहीं दिखता है कि उस इंसान के पीछे और उनके लाइफ के सक्सेस के पीछे कितना स्ट्रगल जाता है.
और दूसरी बात है, आप दूसरों के लिए खुश हो गए ना, आपको भगवान बहुत देगा।
हम्म.
हम दूसरों की चीज़ों से जलते हैं। हमको दुःख होता है जब कोई खुश होता है। हमको बुरा लगता है जब किसी को अच्छा लगता है। क्योंकि हमको लगता है उसके साथ अच्छा हो रहा है, हमारे साथ क्यों नहीं अच्छा हो रहा है?
Comparison is the thief of joy.
Comparison is a thief of joy, and the minute you start enjoying somebody else's success, you see how successful you'll start becoming.
I guess.
इस चीज़ से मुझे रणवीर सिंह की याद आ गई।
Why?
क्योंकि मैंने आपको बोला ना, रणवीर सिंह is doing so well for himself right now. I'm so happy
Yes,
for him.
we all should be. He's
I'm very
done
happy
such
for
a
him.
good job. Anybody that I see doing well, I get
I'm
very
so happy for him.
excited.
So happy for him.
Yeah.
He is also somebody who's not from this industry.
Hmm.
He has also gone through a lot. And I see his interviews and his parents talking and all, and they say that Ranveer didn't share a lot of things. We all don't. Because our parents love us. हमारे disappointments हम माँ बाप को नहीं दिखा सकते बार बार, क्योंकि हम जितना टूटते उससे ज़्यादा हमारे माँ बाप टूटते हैं।
Hmm.
तो हम उसको थोड़ा छुपा के रखते हैं, और जब अच्छा टाइम कोई आता है ना, फिर धीरे से चिक बोल देते कि ऐसा हुआ था हमारे साथ,
That's so true.
है ना?
Same.
क्योंकि उनको उतना फील नहीं हो. So then his mama, in one of her interviews, has said that and then Ranveer is actually, I think it was Simi Garewal's interview, yeah.
Oh.
So she came on the screen and the mother, and then I saw Ranveer crying. I'm like, oh, don't cry. So
That
we
he's
all go
been-
through these
that he's
moments,
been
and then
through a
when you
lot.
get that fame, he deserves every bit of it. He should enjoy his success, and I'm very proud of him.
Has your relationship with fame changed?
But it's not my only identity.
Hmm.
I don't identify myself as, I mean, it's not.
Is it an enjoyable experience that
Of
a lot of people know
of
you?
course. I feel great. I feel so good. I feel so loved. That 1% or 0.1% trolling doesn't affect me. I don't get majorly trolled, thank God.
But one actress had told me on the podcast that if it went away, she would feel very terrible. I was like, but it could go away.
Of course, it's all temporary, यार. थोड़ी ना आपको
But it
जिंदगी
would
भर
affect.
लोगों को, दूसरे लोगों को मौका दो यार. बस वो जिंदगी भर आपको रहना है, मतलब क्या है ये फिर?
I want to end the podcast with you when you asked me about, like, when I said no, what about you can't always be happy? If somebody asked me that, I would say that when there's a sad phase in your life, there are small things that you can do to be happy. So what I do is, if I'm going through like a long period of sadness or something's not happening or moving, I will find that, okay, what is that? I will really look for it. Okay, what will make me happy right now, just for, even if it's for some time. So if it's a favorite food, or for me sometimes it's a dessert, or if it is like, oh, I'll just get out and go for a drive, or maybe that's how I learned how to drive, because so like nothing was happening in my life, okay, and I'm used to like achieving constantly. So I was like, what do I do? So I woke up one day, I was like, I'm going to get over one of my fears. I have two. One is dogs, one is driving. I'm very scared of dogs. So I said, dogs to nahi hoga. Let me do driving.
मेरे घर पे वो दूसरा fear भी मैं मिटा दूंगी.
I will come for practice.
He's a cute dog. उसको dog नहीं, वो उसको लगता है वो खुद human है.
So I got up one day and I said, now even if it takes me 6 months or 1 year, I'm going to learn how to drive a car. And today I know how to drive a car.
Very good. That's
so I had
amazing.
to like find small things in that phase of what will make you happy and do that. And then
Very
you can be a little bit better.
That's amazing. I mean, I do that. I cannot be left alone. I have I like my space also. I need to be on my own, but then I'll watch movies, listen to music, pray, meditate. I have my coffee corner in the house where me and Boomerang go and sit and have coffee. He hates coffee, but he sits with me. Hates the smell of it, still sits with me. That's unconditional love, which only dogs can give. And I'm shocked you don't like dogs. So
I'm scared of them. It's not like I don't like them.
इंसानों से डरो.
इंसानों से डरो,
तो
she
क्या
said.
डॉग से डरते हो? Anyway, और कुत्ते को कुत्ता मत बुलाओ, हाँ?
What
नाम
am
से
I?
बुलाओ. हर डॉगी का एक नाम होता है.
Okay, but I
especially
was
pets.
saying dogs in general.
हाँ, डॉग बोलो. डॉग बोलते हो चलता है, कुत्ता बोलते हो अच्छा नहीं लगता.
Is that a thing?
हाँ, मतलब गाली होती है ना, कुत्ते मैं तेरा खून पी जाऊंगा, है ना? So people who don't like dogs, I tell them don't come home, but I'll take you. I like you. You're a Cancerian.
Thank you. I have been approved. I'm approved to come home.
So where were we? Where were we? See, I told you
Small
we were-
things like you will go
so
and do
I
your.
go out with my friends. I'll go to my mama and papa's house. I'll take them out for coffee. I'll go for a movie. I'll spend time with Rihanna and her friends. Rihanna and her friends also are my friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 11-year-old little Gen Alphas are all my friends. All this I keep doing. I mean, there's no room for any kind of
Hmm.
anti-happiness.
Anti-happiness. I like that word, and I like that we're closing with that. I've had a great life lessons from this podcast. I've taken, and I hope the audience takes it too. But I've got to learn a lot. It's because when you meet somebody who's lived through so much in life and has great experiences, all kind of experiences, not like particularly good or bad, but so many experiences. Like you are a curious person, I'm a very curious person, so I love learning and I love taking the takeaways, which is why I do the podcast. And it's something else when somebody's lived a full life and you get to learn that, I feel like it becomes easier for me, I don't know about others, to then go through the rest of whatever's coming your way. That's why I do a podcast, because I get so many different kinds of people and they have
Their
so many
perspectives.
different ways of living, understanding things and doing things, and I get to like experience all of it. So I love it. Guys, thank you so much for watching another episode. If you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any thoughts, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.